One of the biggest challenges when you're migrating to HPOS, high performance order storage, is testing external services that access your REST API. So think of services such as order aggregators, Channable. If you get orders from an external service like Amazon, all of those services are interrogating your REST API, and that's been changed fundamentally once you update and move over to HPOS. So any old legacy REST API calls, versions 1, that kind of thing, they probably won't work. So how do we get around this? Well, what I've done is I've written a little plugin. It's available to download from the blog post here. And what that does is, it's fairly simple. It hooks into REST pre-dispatch and essentially just writes everything to a log file. So we've got a CSV log file in this plugin directory, and it just logs all external REST API calls. Not the internal ones, because that made the log huge, but any external service that accesses your REST API, it logs them. And what that gives us is a CSV that we can import into our spreadsheet and then analyze. Let's sort this data. By the URL. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look through all that we've stored and then look for anything that looks like it's interrogating the order. So there's one. I think that's when I looked at that was a Google Facebook Pixel plugin, just sending order data back. There's one that we definitely need to test. So this is some order shipment data. That's posting data back to the order with some shipment update details. So what we do is we go through everything, we collect the URLs, and then we drop them into this tool here. This is Postman, and what you see, I've got all of those REST API calls here, and then we just put them to our staging site, and then we simply test them like that. So once we're happy all of those API calls are working as expected, we can have greater confidence that our third-party services are going to work as expected when we migrate over to HPOS. If you need help migrating your site over to high-performance order storage, get in touch. Go to neilmatthews.com and the Work With Me button.